will start with learnings at BNI. As is, there is a 30-second slot which we all get every week after week. So I got 52 unique sales pitch in a year. What I got from them, you have to be innovative and different every time you present. You have to be focused and specific, competitive, and that's, I got my best 30 seconds in the 46th week. After lots of trials. Then comes 8-minute presentations. Best opportunity to present your business more comprehensive, not once, but twice. Effectively, you get a chance twice in a year. Express oneself more freely. It creates a longer recall value for your business, and then the quality of referrals after your presentation, the quality of referrals gets improved. Then what we do all? Network. Talk to everyone. You never know, person sitting beside you could be or could give you the valuable business. Never forget to update the member on the outcome of the referral he passed you. That will give him an idea about the type of referral he should pass you in the future. Networking, power of networking. Mr. Amit Sharma, I knew him for past 6 years, but never thought of doing any business with him. After his joining of BNI, I realized, oh, I should do business with him. That's it. So I got 2 highly valuable business opportunities, not business opportunities, businesses that got turned into business. Then, be a part of leadership team. Everybody, in BNI, everybody gets an opportunity to be a part of the leadership team. So that lets you exercise your leadership quality, makes one accountable and responsible. Then it enables you improve your interpersonal skills and provides visibility. Next, trainings and workshops, MSP presentation, referral skills, and IT trainings. Those are must for all. Once is not enough. Gives you a whole new perspective towards planning, execution, and selling of your business. Then self-development helps you in self-development and public speaking, networking, and follow-ups. Then your power meetings. It provides nowhere you can get access to like top business houses in your individual capacity, but in BNI, when you go to the power meetings, you get